ringing the bell and the fishwives yell, but they might as well be mute. So you get to keep the pictures that don't seem like much. Cold white keys under your fingers. Now you're thinking that's no substitute. It just don't do it like the song of a warm body, love in your touch. In the court they carve your legend with an apple in its jaw, and the women that you wanted, they get their laughs. Long silk stockings on the bedposts of refinement. You're too raw, they think you're too raw. It's the judgment of the moon and stars, your solitary path. Draw yourself a bath. Think what you'd like to have for supper. Or take a walk, a park, a bridge, a tree, or a river. Revoked but not yet cancelled. The gift goes on in silence in a bell jar, still a song. You gotta shake your fists at lightning now. You gotta roar like forest fire. You gotta spread your light like blazes all across the sky. They're gonna aim the hoses on you. Show 'em you won't expire, not till you burn up every passion, not even when you die. Come on now, you gotta try. If you're feeling contempt, well then you tell it. If you're tired of the silent night, Jesus, well then you yell it. Condemned to wires and hammers, strike every chord that you feel. Like broken trees and elephant ivories.